Alright guys, back at it again with the exhaust trick. You put the shot back hose on the other side so it's not sucking, it's blowing. Stick it in your exhaust with some rags. In this case I can't hear where it's coming from, so I had to pull out the All Reliable spray bottle with soap in it. And you can only hear it when it's running, but I mean even then it's kind of hard to hear because the car is so loud because it got the aftermarket exhaust. So I just put soap water in there, sprayed it all, and then you can see up here. See where it's trying to bubble up right there? And when it goes on, it doesn't go on like that. Watch, hold on, I'll spray real quick. Alright, so you see it's clean, but then it starts bubbling up. So that's where our exhaust leak is. So we're going to go ahead and tighten those to spec and then see where we go from there.